Now the structure of NaCl crystal lattice or unit cell. So in NaCl structure, the main thing is that there two ions are present, Na positive, Cl negative. The Cl negative, the major big ion, makes the FCC structure, and the Na positive ion goes into the all octahedral voids. Right? So this is the main important point in the lattice of the NaCl. Now write it here. In NaCl crystal structure, the Na positive occupies all octahedral voids and Cl negative forms FCC structure. So, in doing so, how many NaCl atoms will be there in the unit cell, that means per unit cell, and because of this, how you may calculate the formula of the NaCl ionic substance. The ionic substance formula is formed by the crystal lattice. How many cations are there, how many anions are there in the one unit cell, from there the ions formula calculated. So here, from this, the Na positive occupies all octahedral voids. So octahedral voids are present at one at the center and the 12 octahedral voids at 12 edges of the cube. Now from 12 edges of the cube, one edge is shared with 4 neighboring unit cells. That means the octahedral at the edge is shared between 4 cubic unit cells. That means 1/4 part of the octahedral void from the edges come in the unit cell. So here the number of Na positive ions first. Of Na positive ions in unit cell is equal to all octahedral voids, right? So from center, one octahedral, so one Na positive, because one octahedral void is there, void at center, right? And next is from edges. So 12 edges are there, and from the 12 edges, 1/4 part, that is 3 Na positive ions, right? Because 1/4 part of octahedral void take part in unit cell, right? Now the next point is the total Na positive will be, total Na positive is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 Na positive ions in our unit cell, right? Now the Cl negative ion, Cl negative ions in unit cell, right? That is number of Cl negative ions. Number of Cl negative ions. Now, from the corner, because FCC structure form, so from corner it is 8 atoms, 8 ions, and 1/8 part. That means 1 Cl negative, right? Because 1/8 part of one corner ion take part in unit cell. Clear? Now the next point is, we have discussed earlier these points. From the corner how many part, and from the center how many parts, right? So here from the faces from faces. 6 faces are there, 6 Cl negative will be there, and 1 by 2 part, so it is 3 Cl negative ions, right? Because 1 by 2 part of one phase center Cl negative, right? So total Cl negative ions is equal to 4. So in one unit cell, if we are going to draw here, that is one unit cell of NaCl has Na positive ratio Cl negative, 4 Na positive, 4 Cl negative. That is, the simplest ratio is 1:1. That means Na positive Cl negative forms NaCl. That's why the formula of the NaCl ionic compound is NaCl, because the simple ratio is 1:1. But the actual Na positive ions in the unit cell is 4, and the actual Cl negative ions in the unit cell is 4, right? So actual ions per unit cell is equal to Na positive is equal to 4, Cl negative is equal to 4, right? So this is the structure of the NaCl crystal lattice. So one more thing also there, because Na positive comes in all octahedral voids. So octahedral void, that means if we are going to draw here the structure of one edge, this is the edge of the cube. So at corner there is Cl negative ions, Cl negative, here also Cl negative, and in between there is the Na positive ion at the center of the edge also, right? This is all about the one edge. I am talking about the one edge. At all the 12 edges, condition will be this, right? So the closest distance of ions will be asked, and anything can be asked, so you may compare the whole things you come to know all about the NaCl crystal now, right? Now the next thing is I am going to draw here a table, a chart, from which you may easily compare the crystal lattices and types and coordination numbers, right? On the basis of as we have studied this structure of NaCl crystal, the same way other crystals are also there, right? So now here is an important chart about the solid state ionic crystal type. Cation occupy which voids, anion occupy which structure, and coordination numbers here, right? Now the first one is NaCl. NaCl is rock salt structure type. Rock salt structure type. The cation occupies all octahedral voids we have discussed earlier. So all octahedral voids, all octahedral voids, and that is in case of NaCl it is Na positive, right? And in the case of other ones, the same structure type, the other may be the ions, right? Now anion occupy the FCC structure. It forms the FCC structure, and the coordination of 6 by 6, 6:6. That is not the 4:4. 4:4 is the ratio of the Na positive and Cl negative ions. These are the coordination numbers. If you are go through the structure, then you will find that each atom coordinated with the means attached with the means the joined, the neighboring atoms touched with the 6 neighboring atoms. That's why the coordination number of Na positive also 6 and Cl negative also 6, right? So here the next is CsCl type, and this is the first one, this is the second one. So CsCl type is body centered, as cation occupy body centered at the body center. Simple cubic unit cell, and then will form that simple cubic unit cell. 8:8. Now the next is the ZNS type. ZNS, that is called the spheroid structure type. So here the cation occupies the alternate tetrahedral voids. Alternate tetrahedral. The cation occupy all tetrahedral, alternate tetrahedral voids, right? And the anion forms the FCC structure, and the coordination number will be 4:4. Now the next is CaF2 type, that is also called fluoride structure type. This is the cation occupies the alternate body center, and the anion form the simple cubic unit cell. Coordination number will be 4:8. Now the next is Na2O type. Na2O type is, that is also called anti-fluoride structure type. This is all tetrahedral voids are occupied by the cation. Right? And the anion forms the FCC structure. And the ratio will be 4:8. So here the chart about the ionic crystal type, where the cation is there, the occupies with voids, and which kind of unit cell the anion forms, and the coordination number of the positive and negative ions, right? So this is all about the ionic crystal type structures.